If you want to improve your automated trading and get insights about what I consider to be the best algorithmic trading solution for 2021, you might want to listen to this detailed but automated content. I will explain everything in the process. Yes, I wish I had more time for better video quality, but we all need to make progress with the effort, the money, the staff and the 24 hours we have. Log for January the 1st. In my case, the staff is my wife, doing taxes, and me, doing everything else. Today is the first day of this live trading experiment, and I have decided to create at least automated content about this project. In summer 2016, I knew that the Brexit votum was ahead and high volatility was expected, so I created an automated Brexit system for MetaTrader 4 to see if it would work. It actually went well for 4 years, but in March 2020 this Brexit system took a big hit when COVID-19 became a big problem for most countries. But the improved version that I started in March 2019 did actually very well, even during 2020. Therefore I am doing this kind of experiment again. On January the 1st of 2021 I have funded a live trading cent account. It is already configured and published on my FX book, but as January the 1st is an official holiday, it has not made any trades so far. I guess on Monday the 4th I will be able to make it public, as my FX book requires some verification before that is allowed. I will keep you updated about the progress. Something interesting might be useful for you to know. It is possible to create a portable MetaTrader 4 installation on an USB stick and use that on any computer, even if MetaTrader 4 is not installed on the PC. And that makes it also possible to clone the same system several times and use the exact same configuration for several accounts. It also is possible to use that exact same system on a cluster configuration to avoid outages. I will tell you more about that later in the process. For now it is just good to know 3 things. This new system produced good results in 2020 on a real cent account. This new system is clonable. This new system can be traded on different accounts or several computers with the same account. If you have any questions or suggestions, just send me an email. I will always answer your emails myself, and most of the time within 24 hours. Thank you for listening to this automated content. If you want to improve your automated trading in 2021, keep listening to this automated but very relevant content.